What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on this thing right here. So if you guys keep up with my Instagram, I've been posting here and there about the wrap. Pretty much I took off the roof wrap a while ago because the roof was wrapped black and the wrap was just completely toast. And as you guys see over here, same thing with the hood. I don't know if you guys can really see on camera, but the wrap is just super ugly. As you guys know or may not know, I was in an accident last year. It was just like a front end collision and they re-wrapped this bumper. So this wrap looks a little bit newer than the rest of the car, but it's not super noticeable. But the hood is just completely toast. If you come to the back and you guys see the trunk, I don't know if you guys can really see on camera, it doesn't really pick it up, but it's completely toast, and obviously you guys can see the spoiler. So this is pretty much what the hood and the trunk look like. And the rest of the car is, I mean, the wrap is already old, you can kind of tell, but it's not as bad. Oh, and this part too a little bit. But it's not as bad as the hood or the trunk. So I was thinking of unwrapping the whole car, but I do have to repaint the front bumper because we never painted it because we were just gonna wrap it again. So we did not paint the front bumper before we re-wrapped it after the accident. So I don't want to have to paint it just yet. I'm kind of waiting on that a little bit. So I was thinking of just unwrapping the hood for now, just to see what it looks like. Obviously, I'm gonna end up unwrapping the whole car anyways. But yeah, it just looks so bad. The hood just looks so bad, guys. So I got the cord out over here. I'm gonna bring my heat gun and we're gonna start unwrapping this thing and see what it looks like. And then I'm possibly gonna unwrap the trunk as well. But I think the back might look a little more weird if I just unwrap the trunk. The hood, I mean, it's gonna look weird, but I mean, it's just the hood. But the trunk, I don't know. We'll see on that. But this might just make me unwrap the whole car even sooner. So regardless, I mean, it'll be better than what it is right now. But we'll see, guys. Let me start unwrapping this hood and we'll see how it looks. And it's kind of raining. I don't know if you guys can tell. You guys can tell the floor and on the hood. You can see the water spots. So it's starting to sprinkle. Hopefully it doesn't get harder rain, but let's work on it. There's no going back from this anymore, guys. Oh, look at my paint. That's gonna take a while. That's it. No going back from this. Oh no. The damage has been done. Oh hell no, that's all I got from this. Damn. Let me unwrap a little more of it and then I'll pick up the camera, guys. What's up, guys? It is now day 3. I've taken off the wrap on this damn hood. This is the worst thing I've ever done in my life. This is worse than when I took off the roof wrap. And the roof wrap was black and it was cooked. It was like gray or white already. But yeah, guys, this is what it's looking like right now. As you guys can see, this shit is not coming off easy. Pretty much after that day, it started raining. So then I just pulled up to my brother's house and we started working on it. We worked on it for a few hours with a heat gun. And we ended up getting a steamer. But it was one of like those small steamers to like iron clothes. It didn't really work out. So I went back yesterday. Yesterday was the second day. And we actually bought one of these steamers. These are like the type of steamers they use to like the clean interiors of the cars and stuff like that. And I mean, it works out, but the wrap is just so fucked up that it's not really coming off that easy. It just rips. So this thing has been a pain in the ass, to be honest. This is day 3 and I'm hoping we finish it today. It's early in the morning right now, top of the morning, like Fresh Cook says. And yeah, hopefully we're able to take this off right now. It is a little cold right now, so I wonder if it's really gonna affect it. But the sun is starting to come out. Hopefully the sun starts hitting the hood a little bit. Maybe it can help out a bit. But yeah, guys, something tragic happened while we were taking off the wrap. Let me know if you can spot it right now. Yep. The clear coat peeled here and here and kind of here. It like peeled, but the clear coat's still on there. I don't know if you guys can tell. And then somewhere over here too, it peeled a little bit. So I didn't even want to take out the wrap no more. We had only took off like a piece of it, very small piece, and that happened. And I was like, fuck it, I'm just gonna leave it like that. But my brother was like, nah, just take it off. At this point though, I prefer to just buy a carbon hood instead of just getting this one repainted. I don't know, we'll see what happens, but meanwhile, I'm gonna go ahead and start taking this off again. My fingers hurt, they're bruised up. I don't know if you guys can see it, but the tip of my thumb right here is all bruised up. It hurts, feels like a blister. So hopefully I don't cut my fingers open. And let's keep going. By the way, all this stuff is like residue, so I'm gonna have to figure out what to take that off with after. This is just like leftover glue. So it looks like it's all scratched up and shit, but it's just leftover glue literally all over the hood. So hopefully that's not too hard to take off after. But yeah, here goes nothing, guys. Day 3. Day 3. 3 days now. Top of the morning. We're back about I don't know, like 8 hours later. It was like 8 in the morning. Right now it's 5. What is that? 12, 9, 10, 12, 9 hours about, I think. And yeah, this is what the hood looks like, guys. So it's pretty much cleaned up completely. We got rid of all the glue, all the wrap, but you guys can see that I mean, it looks pretty decent, but there's a few scratches that I need to get buffed out. And then, I mean, obviously this part right here, unfortunately, if it wasn't for this and this, it'd be pretty much perfect. And then obviously the little pieces over here, this one right here, but it's not bad, guys. It just gives me a reason, another reason to get a carbon hood, which I've always wanted for this car. So I mean, we'll get to it eventually, but for the meantime, this is gonna be just fine. You can't really tell too much. Regardless, it looks better than what it looked like with the wrap. So I mean, I'm happy. And then obviously the roof, which is all dusty right now and dirty. And then yeah, I got started on the trunk. So this is what it looks like right now. It low-key looks like it'd be like a carbon hood or something, but I do miss my paint color, so I really want to go back to paint soon. But yeah, I just want to take off the wrap on the hood and trunk, mainly just because it was the worst part. The rest doesn't look too bad, but we'll get to that soon. I just wanted to take those off already, and it just brings me closer to taking off the wrap, you know. So yeah, guys, that's what it looks like right now. I'll give you guys another update once I take off the back. And I put on one of these spoilers. I want to go back to like an OEM style spoiler. So I was gonna put on this one, but you gotta put this one on with like silicone. It's like an OEM spoiler. You can see the BMW right there. It goes on with like some type of silicone. This one's not too much bigger, and it goes on with double-sided tape. So I'm debating right now which one to put on, but yeah, I'll keep you guys updated, and we'll see how it goes. What's up, guys? It's a few days later now. Oops. It's a few days later now, guys. I just didn't record anymore. Ah! So pretty much I took off the wrap from the trunk. We cleaned it up nicely, and that's pretty much it. I actually took the car to wash it that night. It was like 2 nights ago, so I took the car to wash it that night. Just a quick self car wash, and yeah, so the car is a little bit clean. It's still dirty, but it's cleaner. Yeah, I need like a full actual detail because the wheels haven't been cleaned in months, so it has like built up brake dust, and just the whole wrap just need to be taken off already because it's just all cooked and like stained. The lower part of like the doors and like the side skirts, they're all stained, they're all like black, so the gray is not really gray no more. So I just gotta get the wrap taken off soon. But yeah, I just wanted to make a little outro for this video. So I'm gonna let the car warm up a little bit, and then we're gonna drive down to some type of gas station to get a little bit of a better lighting and show you guys what the car looks like. Who here knows Dandy Heads? Shout out Dandy Heads. You can see right here at the bottom. DH. Dandy Heads. What do you guys think of my new recording setup right here? Nah, I'm just kidding. I just have it on top of the dash, but I should probably fall if I step on it too much. Oh shit! All right, guys. I'm going for a little drive right now. Can you guys tell how dirty the windshield is? This from the inside though. It's like it needs to be cleaned. lights. It looks all messed up. I'm driving down to a gas station right now so we can get some better lighting. And I can show you guys what the car looks like. But yeah, I miss uploading, guys. I miss making videos. I think I'm gonna try to get back into it. I just I'm at a loss of motivation, loss of content. I feel kind of, I just feel kind of lost. I feel kind of like I don't know. I just feel kind of stuck. I don't know what to do, but I'm gonna try to get back into it. I really miss recording. I have a true passion for making videos and content and recording and taking pictures of shit I do, so I'm gonna try to get back into it. But yeah, I'm gonna pull up to this newish gas station. I've recorded here before once, but it's still semi-new. Hopefully no one's at the pumps. It's kind of a small gas station, but I wanted that gas station lighting, you feel me? If you know what I mean. Oh shit, somebody just pulled up. Well, hopefully they're not gonna be here for long. Damn, they low-key pulling up to the pumps that I wanted to go to. Ain't no way. Ain't no way, bro. Oh, yep, you're gonna be able to see all the scratches with this lighting. Damn, guys, the car actually looks kind of crazy. I'm not even gonna lie. I honestly love the stock color. Damn, you can see the scratches right there. Right there. Right about there. I think that happened when I was taking off the wrap. But my brother's gonna go ahead and polish it for me. Probably do a little compound and polish. But yeah, guys, this is what the hood looks like. Unwrapped hood. This shit actually looks kind of crazy. I'm not even gonna lie. I honestly love the way it looks. It's like it's low-key like a carbon hood. I think the hood was repaired or repainted at some point. Cause you can kind of tell the paint here is kind of it's not different. It looks the same. But the paint here just doesn't look as good quality, if that makes any sense. I don't know, but I think it was kind of painted or repaired at some point on this side somewhere. So I'm pretty sure that's why the paint peeled over here. But yeah, if you guys look at the paint, it just, I don't know, something about the paint. I feel like it was repainted or something at some point. But yeah, this goes all the way to the back. You can see the hood is the same color. The roof, dirty, but it's the same color. Woo! And then we unwrap the trunk as well. It kind of looks like it has a carbon trunk and a carbon hood, so it looks kind of cool. But yeah, I still want to unwrap the whole car because I just miss the way the paint looks, how glossy it is and stuff. I also need to get some new carbon fiber mirror caps because these are the stick-ons. But this is just peeling right here too because of the sun. This car was kind of just abandoned, guys. The whole car in general looks abandoned. It's starting to look better now that I took out the hood wrap, but whole car looks abandoned. I want to go more with like an OEM plus type of look now that we're redoing the car. Damn, it's just loud. Now that we're redoing the car, it's just loud.
Hey bro, what beard you got?
I said M5.
Oh, that shit clean, dog.
Appreciate it, man. Thank you.
Hell yeah, that shit hella hard.
Thank you. Hey. I want to go more with like an OEM plus type of look with this new version that we're going with the car. So yeah, I think it's gonna look sick with like the OEM paint, and you know, keep obviously the carbon fiber lip. I want to get the carbon fiber side skirts. I want to keep it simple with the diffuser, but I want to replace the diffuser because it's kind of just messed up too. The diffuser's kind of old too. I had already got it with like some defects, and yeah, I want to replace it. You guys can see it's like cracked right here, and I don't know, it's just kind of ugly. I want to replace the diffuser. So yeah, I just want to go back to what it once was, or even better. But yeah, guys, that's what the car looks like. Let me know what you guys think. Honestly, I think it looks pretty damn sick with the hood unwrapped like that. Gives it like a carbon fiber hood type of look. Race car shit. Race car type shit. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. Hopefully you guys liked the video. I know it wasn't too much content. I didn't really record too much unwrapping because it was such a pain in the ass to unwrap the hood. The trunk was pretty easy. It was pretty damn quick. Just the top of the trunk, which was like super dried up. It gave us a little bit of trouble, but the rest of the trunk, like the back, the whole actual back part of the trunk, it was pretty easy to take off. We used the steamer, and yeah, super easy. But the hood took us almost 3 days. The whole trunk took me probably like 2 hours or so. So it was still a good amount of time, but man, the hood took us like 3 days working on it for like 5-6 hours per day. That shit was, my fingers had blisters, my fingers were hurting. That shit was horrible. But yeah, I'm just rambling here, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video right here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. You know, leave your comments down below. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see with this car. I don't know, just give me some ideas, guys. I'm trying to look for motivation to record and do all this stuff again. I miss being in the whole car community scene and all that stuff. I want to get back into it. And yeah, drop some comments down below, guys. Looking for some motivation, looking for some ideas. I'm just looking to expand my whole, you know, creative mindset and everything. And like I said, I just want to go crazy. I want to get back into the car stuff and, you know, back to what I always enjoyed doing. So yeah, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Please make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Any comments or anything, let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. And you know, hopefully I'm back for good this time, because I've been coming back every few months and I'm kind of tired of it. I want to get back into it, like I said. Yeah, guys, that's enough of me just rambling. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Tell me this interior isn't fucking nice for a 2015. I know all these new cars is everything digital and shit, but this thing is nice. Oh, I gotta fix that too. For some reason, it don't let me start the car with my door open. That shit gotta be closed. Woo! Peace out, guys.
Si estás abajo, aquí nadie te pela. Si estás arriba, falsos te rodean. Le echan la mano, juran quererte. Ya no te ocupan ni cuentan pestes.